Hey there Greymains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the Hammer Constellation in Crimson Desert. Now I'm just going to assume that you already know the quest behind this wild little goose chase, so I'm not going to ramble on too much to waste your time. Just don't forget that you have to equip the Constellation helm on your head, and also make sure you choose it as well in the function tab, so you can activate it by pressing down B on your keyboard or whatever input it is on your controller. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get back to the objective. This constellation is to the north of Demenis, and you'll usually have a quest marker guiding you to this location. It kind of resembles a paw, but if you want a landmark, you may want to look for the sheltering rocks. Once you reach the pillars, or when there's a prompt at the bottom saying to find the constellation, activate your helmet. And then just align the constellation this way, and look to the topmost point to solve it. Then just wait for it to dissipate, and then you're golden. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the Hammer Constellation in Crimson Desert.